Okay, so these are all formulae. So let's just convert these to values. So I'll select them all, copy. Now, okay, let's go down. Let's convert have those values down here. So click down arrow, values. Now that's changed them to actual numbers, and you can see what's going on. So it's almost 6 p.m. in the afternoon, so that I'm about 0.7492 of the way through of the 24 hours in the day. So that's where that number comes from. And I don't know when day number 1 was. That'd be quite interesting to find out. So let's format these as this. Copy this formatting using the format printer, and then just select them all, and there we go. Okay, so day number 1 is the 1st of January at 1900 at midnight. So this starts from that day. So these are the days hard coded. Now supposing they were out of order, to sort them, you would just, like sorting anything else in Excel, you just select them all and then you click on data. You could use that one, sort oldest to newest. There we go. And it's sorted them all back in date order. You could also calculate the age or difference between two ranges. So supposing equals that one minus. So if we want to know how much time has elapsed between these two dates, we can just subtract them like that, and then it gives the number 7. So that's 7 days, which is correct. So dates and times are basically just a number. It's just formatted as a date and time to make it more useful for us, but all the way you operate it or on it is the same as with a number.